What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another clothing haul. This one is with Shein. Shout out to Shein because they are sponsoring today's video. So this is actually my second haul filming today. So I am on a roll here. We're doing it vlog style. I'm on the vlog camera right now. I thought it would be kind of fun to switch it up. So I hope you guys like it. The top that I have on right now is from Shein, and I'm just obsessed. No thanks, because like, no thanks. I'm just obsessed. I love it. Anyways, so I absolutely love Shein. For those of you who don't know what Shein is, they have such amazing, affordable clothing items. I love being able to share affordable clothing items with you guys because I feel like, honestly, everybody deserves to switch up their wardrobe, style themselves up, and feel good about themselves, but you don't have to break the bank to do it. So you can get so many amazing, affordable pieces from Shein. And I'm talking like affordable, like hella affordable, like extremely. The best thing is their pieces are so affordable already, and then on top of it, they actually gave me a discount code for you guys where you can get an extra 15% off the entire website. And that's big because their pieces are already so affordable. So you're gonna have such an affordable piece, and then you're gonna get like an extra 50% on top of that. 15, not 50% on top of that, which I think is just amazing. So you can go ahead and use the code Macedo, M-A-C-E-D-O, to get an extra 15% off the entire Shein website. So I'm gonna be taking you guys vlog style with me. We're gonna try on all the pieces. I just got my package a few days ago, but I just opened it this morning, and I'm excited because there's some really cute pieces. So yeah, let's try them on together. And oh, I will leave all the links down below. So make sure you guys shop your little hearts out. Again, use the coupon code. I'll leave all the links below as well as the sizes so that it helps you guys and it's easier for you guys to shop. So the first piece I have is this really cute like cropped neon pink top. I'm obsessed with this. I could have got it in a size a little smaller because it's a little bit baggy, but I kind of like that at the same time because it's really comfy. It says no thanks, which I just think is adorable. No thanks. That's my new saying. So the first piece is this super cute like pink fitted mock neck sweater that I just think is adorable, and it matches my nails. I am obsessed with this. It's so adorable. This is perfect for spring because it's very, like, it's slightly warm so that if it's chilly and windy outside, you won't feel cold, but it's very lightweight, so you're not gonna feel too hot. And I just think this is so pretty. I love it with the gray joggers, and it matches my nails, and I feel really pretty in pink. I love it. Okay, this next item I love. It's this really cute cropped tee that says C'est la vie. I did not mean for that to rhyme, but it did. But yeah, it's the cutest little t-shirt. It says C'est la vie, and it's cropped, like I said. She can show a little bit of tummy. I just think it's really cute, and actually the quality is really good of this. It's very soft. So was the last piece that I showed you guys, like very soft and smooth. It's hard to describe, but the quality is really, really nice. I am so obsessed with this next piece as well. So we got another tee, but I just love this tee so much because it's kind of like an off-white cream color, and it pairs really nicely with gray or of course black, or like even nude. And then it just says baby girl, and anything that says baby girl I need. Like, I just think that word is so cute. Sugar baby loves it. I love it. I'm obsessed. And the quality is really nice of this one too. It isn't too thick as well, which is nice because it's going to be perfect for the spring and summertime. And yeah, I just love it. It's also cropped too. Okay, so this next fit I'm just obsessed with, you guys. I love an all gray, you know this. So I love these pants. They fit so nicely. Like, look at how good they fit. They really tuck you in. Like, I love how they tuck my tummy in. They tuck my little love handles and my hip dips in. And they just look so flattering. They make the booty look nice, which you cannot, I mean, the booty is a priority. So I love these so much. I love that they have a nice thick band. Like it's thick, so it really kind of like holds your belly in. And then I'm obsessed with this sweater. You guys know I love these kind of like teddy sweaters. So the reason why I think this one is perfect for spring is because although it's warm, it's perfect for those windy spring days. Like that's kind of how it is right now. Right now we're in the middle of March and it's still very like windy outside, but yet the air is kind of warm. So it's kind of perfect for these sweaters where you can have the chest open so that you don't get too hot, and it's kind of cropped, but you still need to be warm because the wind, it's like pretty windy. Yeah, it's just perfect for those in-between temperatures where it's not hot outside and it's not cold. So I think this is the perfect sweater, honestly, for fall, spring, and winter. Like it's kind of a versatile sweater. And I love how that you can make it a boxy fit if you want. Like I can open it, or I can do how it was before and make the waist tighter to show off the bod. So yeah, and then you have these like heathered gray leggings, and I just love them so much. These fit really nice. These are not too thick. They're actually a little bit on more of the lightweight side, which I actually like because then they're going to be perfect for the spring and summer even. Like you could wear these in the summer because they are not too thick and they're not too hot feeling, so that's really good. I love this whole outfit. I feel like this looks really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a few tops now because I got a few basic tops that I feel like are really cute. So I got this sort of off the shoulder, really nice blush top. I loved the color of this, and I feel like this is perfect for those of you who are just looking for a nice basic top that you can throw on with joggers, leggings, whatever, and be on the go. And it's very soft, like a very lightweight soft material. Okay, so this next top I feel like is so cute, and it's very flattering. Like the neckline is very slimming and it really leans you out, and it's just very flattering. I love the cleavage, you know I love a good cleavage, but for those of you who don't like showing cleavage, you really don't have to with this, because one, you can button it up. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. How talented can I really be? There we go. So you can button it up and you can also pull it up a little bit. So for those of you who don't like to show cleavage, you definitely don't have to with this top. And it does go quite long if that's what you like, if you like to cover your bum or anything like that. I always like to shorten the shirts a little bit, but yeah. Really pretty basic top, super flattering neckline. Next top that I got is this really pretty pink mock neck top, which you guys know I love pink, so anything pink I am down for. But for this one, I do feel like I could have gotten a size smaller because it is quite big on me. So for size reference, you guys can kind of base it off that. But I feel like this is such a versatile top. You could wear it with some joggers, or you could honestly wear this to work out in if you want to wear some cute leggings and just be all like bright and have like a nice pop of color. The material of this is nice and soft, and it is ribbed as well, but it is a very lightweight, soft material. Oh my god, you guys, I'm obsessed with this dress. Okay, so I'm standing on my tippy toes so I can pretend that I'm wearing heels and just like give you guys the illusion here, but this dress is so flattering. Again, I love the off the shoulder, and I love the little slit. It is a little bit loose on me, like just so you guys can get the feel of this size. I personally, honestly, I would have gone down a size like if I could purchase it again, so keep that in mind. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for all of the items that I got from Shein. Do not forget to use my coupon code to get an extra 15% off the entire website. The code is Macedo, and I will leave all the links in the description box. As you can see, I put back on the sweater because I'm actually going to be going out, and this is the perfect sweater to wear right now because the air is kind of warm, but it's like windy and rainy, so it's just the perfect spring sweater. Okay, so I wanted to hop on here quickly through voiceover and take you guys through the website real quick. Yeah, I just wanted to show you just how many amazing new pieces they have. One of my favorite sections to always shop is the what's new section because it's constantly being updated. There are constantly new pieces, and as you can see, there's so much variety. Like, I feel like no matter what your style is, everyone is just gonna find something that they love. I feel like if you have a big friend group and everyone has a different style, what's amazing is I feel like every single person could find something that they love because there's so
much variety, so many different styles, and so much options. So I love that. There's also a really great filter system on the side there. You can filter through style, you can filter through size, you can filter through color. I'm also showing you guys how there's so much variety of sweaters. Sweaters are my favorite things because they're so cozy.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Shein haul. Huge shout out to them for sponsoring another video. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.